As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at two propane grills, the MASTER COOK 3-burner and the Coleman RoadTrip 285. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I've seen those. The MASTER COOK is cheaper, right? Around $200?
Yeah, about $199. The Coleman is closer to $320. Big price difference.
Definitely. So, what are you looking for in a grill? Is portability a big deal?
Well, somewhat. I have a small patio, so something compact would be nice. And I don't want to spend too much.
Okay. The Coleman is technically portable, with folding legs and wheels, but both weigh about the same, around 46 to 47 pounds. The Coleman's cooking area is smaller, 285 SQN, versus the MASTER COOK's 472 SQN.
Wow, almost 200 square in. Bigger! That's significant. But the Coleman says it has better burner tech for temp control. Is that true?
That's what they claim, improved burner technology. Both have 3 burners, but the MASTER COOK puts out 30,000 BTUs, while the Coleman only does 20,000. More BTUs generally means more heat.
So the MASTER COOK is hotter? And bigger cooking space? Sounds good so far. What about build quality? I want something that lasts.
That's where things get a little tricky. Some reviews for the MASTER COOK mention flimsy construction, thin metal. The Coleman uses cast iron, which sounds more durable, and the product description uses the word comprehensive, implying a better build.
That's a concern. Stainless steel on the MASTER COOK sounds good, but if it's thin, the Coleman has a 3-year warranty. Does the MASTER COOK?
I don't see warranty info listed on the MASTER COOK, so that's something to check. The Coleman also has an InstaStart push-button ignition, which is convenient.
Good point. I hate struggling to light a grill. And the Coleman is an Amazon's Choice product. Maybe that means something?
It suggests it's a popular, well-regarded option. Ultimately, it depends on your priorities. If budget and cooking space are paramount, the MASTER COOK might work. But if you want something that potentially has better build quality, warranty, and easier ignition, and don't mind the smaller size and lower BTUs, the Coleman could be worth the extra money.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.